Welcome to the amazing world of spotted animals and birds. Spots are more than just pretty patterns. They help animals hide, hunt, or shine in nature. Let's explore spotted creatures and learn their names in English. Are you ready? Let's go.
This is a cheetah.
Yay!
This is a cheetah. Cheetahs have golden fur covered with black spots. They are the fastest land animals on Earth.
This is a leopard.
Yay!
This is a leopard. Leopards have rosette-shaped spots on their coats. They are powerful climbers and stealthy hunters.
This is a jaguar.
Yay!
This is a jaguar. Jaguars have bold dark spots called rosettes. They are strong swimmers and live in the Amazon rainforest.
This is a snow leopard.
Yay!
This is a snow leopard. Snow leopards have thick fur with dark spots. They live high in the cold mountain ranges.
This is a giraffe.
Yay!
This is a giraffe. Giraffes have tall necks and spotted coats. Their spots help them blend with the savanna trees.
This is a Dalmatian.
Yay!
This is a Dalmatian. Dalmatians are white dogs with black or brown spots. They are active, friendly, and full of energy.
This is a peacock.
Yay!
This is a peacock. Peacocks have shimmering feathers with spotted eyes. Males spread their tails to attract attention.
This is a ladybug.
Yay!
This is a ladybug. Ladybugs are tiny beetles with red shells and black spots. They are helpful insects that eat plant pests.
This is an ocelot.
Yay!
This is an ocelot. Ocelots are wild cats with beautiful spotted coats. They are agile hunters living in forests.
This is an African wild dog.
Yay!
This is an African wild dog. These dogs have coats covered with patches and spots. They are skilled hunters working in large packs.
This is a bobcat.
Yay!
This is a bobcat. Bobcats have short tails and spotted fur. They are secretive hunters found in North America.
This is a spotted hyena.
Yay!
This is a spotted hyena. Hyenas have sandy coats with dark spots. They live in clans and have powerful jaws.
This is a serval.
Yay!
This is a serval. Servals are tall cats with long legs and spotted coats. They leap high to catch birds and rodents.
This is a spotted redshank.
Yay!
This is a spotted redshank. These wading birds have spotted feathers in breeding season. They are often seen near wetlands.
This is a spotted dove.
Yay!
This is a spotted dove. Doves have brown wings with white spotted collars. They are peaceful birds that coo softly.
This is a guinea fowl.
Yay!
This is a guinea fowl. Guinea fowls have round black feathers with tiny white spots. They walk in groups and make loud calls.
This is a snowy owl.
Yay!
This is a snowy owl. Snowy owls are white with scattered dark spots. They live in the Arctic and fly silently.
This is a falcon.
Yay!
This is a falcon. Falcons have spotted and striped feathers. They are the fastest birds, diving at great speeds.
This is a spotted eagle ray.
Yay!
This is a spotted eagle ray. Their dark bodies are covered with white spots. They glide gracefully through tropical seas.
This is a spotted stingray.
Yay!
This is a spotted stingray. Stingrays have flat bodies with spotted patterns. They hide under sand waiting for prey.
This is a whale shark.
Yay!
This is a whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish with white spots on blue skin. They are gentle giants that eat plankton.
This is a zebra shark.
Yay!
This is a zebra shark. Zebra sharks are covered in small dark spots as adults. They rest on the sea floor during the day.
This is a poison dart frog.
This is a poison dart frog. These frogs are brightly coloured with spots. They are tiny but carry strong toxins.
This is a leopard gecko.
This is a leopard gecko. Leopard geckos have yellow skin with dark spots. They are gentle lizards often kept as pets.
This is a tokay gecko.
This is a tokay gecko. Tokay geckos have blue-grey bodies with orange spots. They are loud, calling tokay at night.
This is a common genet.
This is a common genet. Genets are small mammals with spotted coats and long tails. They are agile night hunters.
This is a police-cat.
This is a police-cat. Police-cats have spotted grey fur. They are wild cats found in rocky areas.
This is a fallow deer.
This is a fallow deer. Fallow deer have light brown coats with white spots. Their antlers are broad and flat.
This is a sika deer.
This is a sika deer. Sika deer keep their white spots even as adults. They live in forests across Asia.
This is an Appaloosa horse.
This is an Appaloosa horse. Appaloosas are famous for their spotted coats. They are strong, fast, and very intelligent.
This is a spotted grouper fish.
This is a spotted grouper fish. Groupers are large fish with spotted bodies. They live in coral reefs and hunt smaller fish.
This is a spotted bullfrog.
This is a spotted bullfrog. These frogs have green skin with black spots. They croak loudly near ponds at night.
This is an Asian longhorn beetle.
This is an Asian longhorn beetle. These shiny black beetles have white spots. Their long antennae are longer than their bodies.
This is a clouded yellow butterfly.
This is a clouded yellow butterfly. These butterflies are bright yellow with dark spots. They flutter gracefully in meadows.
This is a spotted orb weaver spider.
This is a spotted orb weaver spider. These spiders weave round webs with dotted patterns. They wait patiently for insects to get trapped.